At the top of the home screen inside the Financial Tools tile, click Get Started. Read the Financial Tools disclaimer. Check the box beside I accept the terms and conditions when done, and then click Get Started. From the home screen, click Link Account to pull in information from your other bank or credit union accounts. Transactions may be categorized in accordance to spending activity for easy identification and filing. Select an account to view transactions. The category icon is found between the transaction date and the description. An icon will identify what type of category the transaction is. Each transaction is automatically categorized by the online banking system. To assign or change a category, click on the category icon to view a list of categories to choose from. Click the down arrow to show the list of subcategories to customize your transactions. Create a personalized category description by clicking the Add Subcategory option, then click the check mark to save it. The pencil icon will edit the subcategory. The trash can icon will delete the subcategory. The category icon and the description name changes will be reflected on transaction history. Once a transaction has been assigned a category, future transactions of this type will be automatically put into that category. Previous transactions will not be automatically changed. They must be changed manually. In the Personal Financial Management section, click on Spending to see a visual representation of how you are spending your money over a period of time. Click on Budget to create categories of expected spending and track progress toward those categories each month. As each month progresses, you will be provided with visual clues to show how close you are to hitting the assigned thresholds. Click on Trends to build even further on your budgeting categories to help track spending as compared to income over time. Cash flow provides information regarding cash availability over a specified period of time. Click on Net Worth to display the total value of all your accounts held with us and aggregated accounts to view your net worth over time. Click on Debts to see all of your debt accounts in one place and to calculate how making additional payments can impact debt over time. Modifying the payoff approach will sort the accounts in the order of priority for that specific approach.